Let's check out how to get both free and for sale assets from the Assistant Pro Community Marketplace. I'm going to start by showing you what it looks like to get a free library. Then I'll move on and I'll purchase something. So this library is a Beaver Builder design package, a bunch of page templates, and a color palette. Let's go ahead and get this library for free. So now that I've subscribed to this library, the button now says View in Libraries instead of Get Libraries, and if I click it, it's going to redirect me to the library in my Assistant Pro dashboard. Let's jump onto a demo site real quick. And I'll just stick one of these page layouts on a demo site for you so you can see what that looks like. From the Assistant WordPress Plugins Libraries app, I have this Community Libraries section, which is where all the community libraries you've subscribed to are going to show up. Now I'll click into this designer library that I just got, open up one of the page layouts, and I'll replace my current page with this template. So now I can easily access this design library from any site that I have the Assistant plugin installed on. All right, let's get back to the community marketplace, and I'm going to show you what it looks like to buy a piece of premium content. And it's just the same as getting free content, except for I'm going to enter my payment details. And now I can view the library from my Assistant Pro Cloud dashboard. And you can also get assets straight from the community app of the Assistant WordPress plugin. And that works just the same as it does from the Cloud Dash. Let's put one of these templates on this page just for fun. So in some instances, it's convenient to just grab content straight from the Assistant plugin. Other times it might work easier to use the Cloud Dash, but it's nice to have options, right? So I think that sums up how to get Assistant Pro community libraries. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!